Oh, we gotta put the chicken house in the backyard today. See their old chicken house. Tippy? Chicken house?
Okay.
Chicken house? Chicken house? Yeah. To clean all that up. Got the fence boards all took off there, so it's ready to just lift off the panel. She's just gonna fit now. I measured with my foot, but oh no. That works out really good. I had my screens out here because I got my operation up and coming here. Oh, I was hoping I could listen to barking dogs today though. That's good. But yeah. These guys here are just drying them out. Kind of experiment going on. We're going to take do a little practicing on those. So as in accordance, we can fire up the shirt operation, boys. Got to do it myself because everybody else is fucked. So that's good. I'll go get the felon and see if we can Ted DiBiase the fence off right here. See what happens. Oh, I did. Yeah, felon did it.
Like,
Cool. Cameras and all that shit are over here. Let's go this way.
got it?
Chicken house.
Cut.
Oh.
Okay. We're past.
Scores. These frames are just the practice ones, so I was gonna, they're not big enough to for my shit. I'll need to extend them or whatever, but for a friggin' practice, I'm gonna have a new horse shirt here in about 3 minutes, boys. I apologize, I ruined my old one, so I wear it every time. You gonna wear a horse shirt or not?
Don't wear a horse shirt.
Felon don't care.
Nope.
He used to have a knife. Huh. Holy fuck, I almost dumped the whole thing. And then you got a couple screws. One more for safe. Tweaking. Holy fuck. get a new horse shirt, boys. Simple as that, I guess. Wow. How many longs it seems to be on there for, but it's fired on full of Bacardi. I guess I should probably let it heat up first. Let's let it heat up first, see what happens. Fucking decent.
Holy shit.
Yeah, tried to tell you. Shirt making specialist.
I don't listen.
Ah, for sakes. Just gotta fucking figure out what the temperature's supposed to be here. Fella's got a new toy for his phone. World's smallest infrared camera. Is it not the same? Oh, look at that. You can see where the chooch is coming out and the lights and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
What about the heater? What does it do?
Where's
This
the
thing
heater?
here? Yeah. See the bottom of it? Oh yeah, you can see the chooch. You can really see the chooch, so yeah. I'll just drop it down a little bit maybe.
Okay, what do we,
Do it to the color one. You gotta just dick with the settings, I think.
radiometric
You
mode.
could do like the predator mode, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That'll be awesome.
Oh, iron red, there we go.
Oh yeah. Look at it, it's chooching the floor even. Nice.
There we go.
That's awesome.
So it's negative 20 to 150 degrees Celsius. That looks good.
That's probably the range of, you know what I mean?
There's another range, it's 100 degrees to 600 degrees.
See what temperature the shirt itself is. I don't know, you know what I mean? Like what? Here, I'll move this out of the way. See what happens. I can't see it though.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, look at the shirt.
So this is the 100 degrees to 600 degrees.
Oh yeah, look at that. Drying the image right on there, boys. Shirts will be available here at onepickout.com any minute. It's pretty dry. Give her another how you doing. Print more, eh? Friggin' print more shirts.
Like way too many different.
Oh yeah, nice. You got all the different settings in it.
Black hot, you know, red hot, so you can...
Nice.
Oh, there we go. That's actually kind of... You can see like red is really hot.
Yeah. Nice.
Rainbow.
Nice.
Jungles.
Freaking awesome. We'll have to put the link in the prescription for this guy here. They're not very expensive, and I mean for what you get for it, you know, it's not like a Fleer or whatever, but
Everything's red.
yeah, just like barbecue Triscuits in here. But friggin' rights, boys. The link will be in the prescription for that. The link's always in the prescription for onepickout.com. Starting up the shirt operation here, boys. It's gonna be awesome. My new one. I ruined my old one. Now I got a new one. Scores. I'd like to see that symbol a little bigger, but for now that'll do. That'll do the trick. Fucking A rights, boys. Shirt number 1. Forgot to mask this one, so we'll have to be careful. Fucking rights. Okay, still got a few things to get yet. I'm just starting, you know, the learning process here, but I think this is way better than trying to get somebody else to do it. Then I got control of the shirts I use, the ink I use, this process we do, the fucking mailing, everything. Don't have to rely on anybody else for nothing. These ones are a little bit smaller, eh?
Screen wise, yeah. Cool.
Experiment work, boys. Got her in the wash and everything. Look how good that turned out. Washed her up. It's all friggin', yeah, you could kind of feel it, but it's not like a plastic bag on it. You know what I mean? We got high quality merch here in Inwoods, boys. Yeah, this is Dick. Just spent fucking 10 minutes turning the camera on and off, on and off, on and off, trying to get the microphone to work. I think it's working, but I dragged that up there all by myself. That's so strong. And then we got her back right up under the blocks here. Try to get out of the shot. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Well, we're hung up. Oh yeah, big time. That's not good. Oh, wasn't that? Ah, it's that. It's that. Oh, we're in trouble. Yep. I think I seen a jack over there. We might have to utilize that. We may have to utilize the jack. Just sneak in beside this very unstable situation here and just give her a little barapini, you know what I mean? Sure you won't mind. too bad. Get this off of here, and all this shit up here, and this shit over there. There you go, boys. Mustang. Fucking love Mustangs. Yeah. Decent. But here we go. Pull forward, get the ramps up, and then we go.